You clicked on this video because you want to know the 5 faceless niches that made me $1,000 on YouTube. But knowing the niches alone won't get you there. I hate to break it to you, but without the right strategy, you're just pretty much wasting your time. That's a secret no one told you. The strategy is what actually makes the money. In this video, I'll show you the 5 faceless niches that made me $1,000 on YouTube, but it doesn't stop there. I'm going to break down the top channels in each of these niches and how you can copy their strategy, then add your own unique touch to make it work for you. Now, before we jump in, let me tell you a quick story. I had a student who came to me. Now, when this guy came to me, he came complaining that he was trying everything he could, but he wasn't seeing any results. I mean, he posted every day, he made sure the edit was nice and a whole lot of that. But I told him one single thing: you're not looking at the patterns, right? So there are patterns to this, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact pattern and strategy that top channels in these 5 niches are using to currently make money for themselves on this YouTube platform that you're currently in. So a few days ago, that same student reached out to me and take a look at his results. Quite amazing, right? If you're coming across this channel for the first time, or you're getting to see this face for the first time, my name is Divine Kennedy, and on this channel I share with you smart ways to start and scale your online business. So do right to subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you're not going to miss out on any of my amazing content. So without any further ado, guys, let me share with you the 5 faceless niches that made me $1,000 here on YouTube. So guys, let's take our first case study, which is this channel under the motivation and self-improvement niche. It is called Motivation to Study. Now, let's take a look at the description. All right, so according to them right here, they said our mission is to inspire, educate and help students of all ages with both lack of motivation and mental health awareness. We work with motivational speakers to create life-changing motivational videos to help us achieve this goal. Alright, so they also add like a CTA at the end of the description. They said subscribe for a new motivational video on success, study tips and on mental health every Sunday. So literally they post every Sunday. Now let's take a look at the metrics of this channel. So currently, guys, they have 370 million views total. That is a hot niche currently, and they've posted over 764 videos at the same time. That is a lot of hard work. All right, now in the last 30 days they've uploaded only 14 videos with over 2 million views gained. Right, so guys, let's scroll through these people's content right here. If you take a look at their content, guys, they are mainly targeting students who is finding it hard to study, or students who want that motivation or that push to study. So even under the motivational niche, they also niche down, targeting a specific set of people, students. So let's say, for example, now you want to recreate this type of channel, motivation channel. Now you can look for a certain set of people that you want to target. Right? Maybe you can target 9-to-5 workers. So you just have to be creative. This is why putting your own touch will make your channel to go way more bigger. So right here, guys, you can see some of their content, right? Their content looks good. And also, guys, if you check out something in their channel right here, their thumbnails are bold. All right, so from their thumbnails you can just easily read what is on the thumbnail, which is one thing that is very, very important. People need simple thumbnail, a thumbnail that passes a message. So if that thumbnail passes good message, people can just instantly click on that video to watch. Right here, guys, you can see some of the patterns, and also check out their title, right? The way they actually title their videos, we want to bring in that curiosity in people to watch their videos. All right, so great stuff right here. Now go down in the comment section and let me know if this kind of niche you want to recreate this for yourself. Now let's go back to the second niche that made me hit the $1,000 mark on YouTube. Are you ready? But before we go, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you're not going to miss out on any wonderful content. So guys, the second niche that I did was daily affirmation videos. Now let me share with you a top channel in this niche that is currently doing well on YouTube. So guys, this channel is called NICHES Daily Affirmations. Now they have 336,000 subscribers with over 486 videos posted. That is hard work put into this channel. Let's take a look at their content right here. So guys can see their title looks very good. All right, and also guys, their thumbnails are easy to understand and their thumbnails are bold. So the key to run a successful faceless channel, you should make sure that your thumbnail is easy to understand and your thumbnail is bold. All right, now also right here, guys, you can see People love affirmation, right? Even personally me, I still say some affirmation words every morning I wake up. It keeps me going. So you can actually check out people who are interested in this niche. And of course, let me know if this niche is something that you want to look at to create right in the comment section. Now, guys, let's go back to the third niche. Now, guys, the third niche is the health and wellness niche. Now, of course, let me share with you a top channel that is currently doing well on YouTube with this niche. Alright, so guys, the name of this channel is called Medical Centric. Now, they have 623,000 subscribers. Now, guys, it's over 3.1 thousand videos. They posted about 3,100 videos so far on their channel. Guys, that is a lot of hard work, right? Now, let's look at their total lifetime views. Now, this channel alone has gained 156 million views in total, right? And also, last 30 days, they posted 58 videos. And guys, they've generated overall, in the last 30 days, 4.54 million views, right? Which is kind of good, right? Let's check out their content quickly, all right? So if you check out this channel content, they share quick tips, all right? They also tell you, okay, this is the name of probably a flu, right? They just educate you on basic knowledge about the body so you can just stay updated, all right? So you can just check out. They have good amount of views right here. Their most viewed video got 4.1 million views. That was, I think, 3 years ago. All right, so overall, they are currently doing good. Also, guys, they post short form content, right? You can see their short form content are still currently doing well. Their most viewed short form content got 553,000 views. All right, so they are combining short form content and long form content to grow their channel. So guys, you can check out the patterns and the strategies that these top channels are currently using to definitely make a wave on YouTube. Now guys, the fourth faceless niche that I did on YouTube that generated me revenue was graphic design tutorials and tips without showing my face, right? Let me also share with you a top channel currently in this niche that is doing well. Now, the name of this channel is called Learn Free. Now, currently guys, total lifetime, which is the total views that have generated from their channel so far, is 224 million views with 1.24 thousand videos. That means I've posted about 1,240 videos so far. Now, in the last 30 days, they generated 1.64 million views with just 2 videos posted, right? I don't know, it's like their posting rates just dropped down, but they are still currently making progress, all right? So guys, let's check out their videos and what they posted so far. So right here, guys, can see beginning graphic design color. They are just teaching tips on graphic design, all right? They are teaching tips on graphics design. So also guys, also post short form content, as you can see, right? Also guys, they also do podcasts on their channel. They also have courses on their own channel too, all right? So they have playlists and posts that they've actually made on their channel so far. And guys, the fifth niche which I actually did that generated me revenue on YouTube was the religion niche. Now, someone who grew up in a Christian household, I know a lot of things about Christ, and someone who is a devoted Christian, I said, let me open the FACELESS channel and talk about the Bible. And currently, let me share with you a top channel who is currently making waves on YouTube doing this. Are you ready? Let's dive into my screen. So guys, the name of the channel is called The Bible Project. Now, currently guys, have total lifetime, which is total views that I've gotten since they opened the channel, is 510 million views with 474 videos posted. Now guys, in the last 30 days, they've gotten 6.58 million views with 13 videos posted on their channel. So guys, let's quickly check out their videos, right? So you can see guys, they're still getting views up until now, all right? So they hardly post, but this one they posted 11 days ago, got 54,000 views. So the title was Why Remember Me So Much in the Bible. All right, so the channel is just directed to the Christian community, explaining the Bible. So right, I actually did this niche and I got success in this niche. So let me know if it's something that you want to try it in the comment section and tell me your reason why. All right, so you can see, let's check out their most popular video. They got 11 million views. This was 8 years ago. Their most popular videos, right? Another one got 9 million views, 8.4 million views. Man, this is amazing. This is awesome. Alright, so guys, there you have it. I've mentioned the 5 faceless niches that I've done so far on YouTube that made me progress and also helped me to make money on the YouTube platform. Alright, so let me know the one you're going to try it in the comment section. And if you found value from this video, please do better to subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you're not going to miss out on any of my amazing content. And of course, I'm going to be seeing the next video. Peace.